Hi guys, welcome to our channel. We are here to do unboxing and installation of this screen protector for my Honda Pilot 2024, also 2025. This one will fit 2025 and I guess also 2023. So this is from Amazon. I bought this for 22 Canadian dollars. So let's start by opening this box. Alright, so here it is. This is a tempered glass to replace this one here. This is the factory cover or factory plastic. So here, what's inside is, wow, nice quality. Oops. We have here the maybe wipes, alcohol, the direction of how to install it, and the tempered screen protector. So it's like a screen protector for your cell phone. Like it's a bigger version, and this one have a cutout here. See, so this cutout will become my guide to install it, but still I have to do it carefully or precisely. Right, and so again, there's nothing more in this box. Just that's and yeah, same as when you're installing a screen protector for your cell phone. You have to wipe it with alcohol and microfiber. So here's what's inside of this cleaner. We have this, yep, this dust removal sticker, fix sticker, and microfiber, which is dusty or dustier when you use it. So make sure you remove the dust from it, and the wet wipes and the dry wipes. So first remove this plastic. So you can see or you can test it from here, and then you can use this fix sticker or positioning sticker this way. Let's try if this one will help. And then on the other side, this sticker will be our temporary support, so when you're ready to install it, you can just lift it up and remove the sticker here. Alright, so you can see. Okay, let's make it better. Like, you can wipe it off now. And clean the screen, those dust. So if you make any mistake, it can be removed and reapply, because their adhesive is silicone adhesive. And this one have 3 years warranty or any damage. This one. Wipe off those oily fingerprint that you have, and then remove the dust over here. This is not cool. It's making some more dust. Alright, this is not good. It says dust removal, but it's making some glue sticks. Okay. That's fine. Yeah, it's leaving some glue residue. I hate it, but anyway. Let's try to fit this one and then align it. Then on the other side. Okay. No, make it lower. Over here and here. So this cut out will be your guide to make sure that it is aligned. Alright, I guess I'm on the right positioning. So let's just check for the dust. There's some dust from the plastic up, and then oops, yeah, there's a lot of dust that came up from this plastic. Let's take it off. And then let's take out this sticker. Okay. Be sure. Let's bring it to the side. Slowly. And uh-oh. Oh, no. It's really stick. Let's try to remove it again. Let's reposition this one. need to make it a little bit higher. Remove it slowly. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. This side. Yep. Okay. Yeah, it's really hard to install, especially if you're OC, obsessive compulsive, that you want to make everything aligned, but I guess I make it the right way. So that's how you redo it. Like, you can remove it anytime you have a problem installing it. So that's how it looks. Remove this useless piece of sticker. Alright, wipe it off, and there you go. Okay, let's take a look closer. Oops, sorry. Yeah, here. So, see? For sure, there will be a time that all of those dust will settle here. But you can wipe it off. Or like use a sticker. You can see that this is a some fingerprint stick here. Let's see. See, yeah. So, oops, sorry. Okay, so let's look closer. You can see the cut out looks perfect to me. And yep, no dust inside. Let's turn off the screen. And I don't know if you can see, there's no dust on the screen, or maybe just too bright, but anyway, this is okay. Yep, this is nice product. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.